Question number 18 of exercise 3.4. Here dx upon sin x, sin of 2x. Sin 2x we can write as 2 sin x cos x. Dx upon sin x. This sin 2x will write 2 sin x cos x. Now this sin x we take common from here, so that it will be integral dx upon sin x into 1 plus 2 cos x. If we multiply by sin x, so this gives us sin square x, we can express it in terms of cos x, and derivative of cos x is sin x will be in numerator. Sin x we multiply upon denominator will be sin square x 1 plus 2 cos x 1 plus, see, sin square x will write 1 minus cos square x sin x dx upon this sin square x, write it 1 minus cos square x into 1 plus 2 cos x. Factors of this 1 minus cos and 1 plus cos, it is integral sin x dx upon denominator is 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x into 1 plus 2 cos x. 1 minus cos, 1 plus cos, and this 1 plus 2 cos x. Now we put t is equal to cos x. Therefore dt by dx is minus sin x, and minus dt is equal to sin x into dx. So sin x into dx is minus dt. So our integral I will become sin x into dx is minus dt upon 1 minus t 1 plus t 1 plus 2t. Now these are non-repeated linear factors. This minus sign you can take here, integral dt upon, instead of writing 1 minus t, write t minus 1, t plus 1, 2t plus 1, so that partial fractions 1 upon t minus 1, t plus 1 and 2t plus 1 can be put in the form a upon t minus 1, b upon t plus 1, c upon 2t plus 1. Now a, b, c we find constants. Numerator is 1, here numerator t plus 1, 2t plus 1, b into t minus 1, 2t plus 1, c into t minus 1, t plus 1. Now to get a, b and c, here if we put t is equal to 1, then these two terms will reduce to 0. So here we put t is equal to 1, then these two terms will reduce to 0, you will get a. Put t is equal to 1, if you put t is equal to 1, then 1 is equal to a into, here it is 1 plus 1 and 2 plus 1, this part will be 0, this is 2 and 3 6, so a will be equal to 1 by 6, a will be equal to 1 by 6. After getting a, we find what? B. So we put t is equal to minus 1. Now if we put t is equal to minus 1, putting t is equal to minus 1, t is equal to minus 1. So left hand side is 1, right hand side this will 0, this will 0, and b you will get b minus 1, here minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, this is minus 1 and minus 2, b into minus 2 and this is minus 1, so b is equal to, this is 2, so b will be equal to 1 by 2. Then remain to find c. So for that we put t is equal to minus 1 upon 2. We put t is equal to minus 1 upon 2, so that 1, this a part will be 0, b part will be 0, and c you will get. So c only will write minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Then this is minus 3 by 2, this is minus 3 by 2, and this is 1 by 2, so that it is minus 3 upon 4, and c will be equal to minus 4 upon 3. So it is minus 3 upon 4, and that is equal to 1. So c will be equal to 4 upon 3 minus. So after getting a, b, c, here we will write a is equal to, what is a? 1 by 6, b is equal to 1 by 2, and c is equal to minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. So that our integral I will be equal to, this is our integral I, and that we put in this form. So we use this to evaluate. Integral I is equal to a upon, that is 1 by 6 upon t minus 1 dt. Then b is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 upon t plus 1 dt, and c upon, so c is minus 4 by 3 upon 2t plus 1 dt, which is 1 by 6 log of t minus 1, 1 by 2 log of t plus 1, minus 4 by 3 log of 2t plus 1, and upon 2. Coefficient of t is 2, plus c. This 2 is getting cancelled. Here it will be 2. So that it is 1 by 6 log t minus 1, 1 by 2 log t plus 1, and minus 2 by 3 log 2t plus 1 plus c. But our t is equal to what? Cos x. So we resubstitute it. T is equal to cos x, and we write the complete answer. I is equal to 1 by 6 log of cos x minus 1, 1 by 2 log of cos x plus 1, minus 2 by 3 log of 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1 plus c. Here we can take LCM. Here 6 we can take common, and we can rearrange the terms in the form. Question number 20, again here sin 2x we can write 2 sin x cos x. इसको हम 2 sin x cos x लिख सकते हैं. इंटीग्रल dx अपॉन 2 sin x cos x plus cos x we take common. Integral dx, here this cos x we take common. Cos x 2 sin x plus 1 and multiply by cos x. cos x dx upon, which is derivative of sin x, cos square x in the denominator, cos x 2 sin x plus 1. This cos square x will write 1 minus sin square x. Here it is cos x dx upon 1 minus sin square x, and it is 2 sin x plus 1. Now this sin x we put t, so that this will become dt. Put t is equal to sin x. Therefore dt by dx is cos x and into dx. So integral r will be equal to dt upon denominator 1 minus t square, denominator is 1 minus t square, 2t plus 1, 1 minus t square, 2t plus 1, factors 1 upon 1 minus t square and 2t plus 1, that we write as 1 upon 1 minus t into 1 plus t and 2t plus 1. Partial fractions we write a upon 1 minus t plus b upon linear factors, all are linear factors, b upon 1 plus t plus c upon 2t plus 1. Numerator is 1 over here, 1 is equal to a into t plus 1 and 2t plus 1, t plus 1 and 2t plus 1 plus b into 1 minus t, 2t plus 1 plus c into 1 minus t and 1 plus t, 1 minus t, 1 plus t. Now if you put t is equal to 1, these two parts will reduce to 0 and you will get a. Put t is equal to 1, t is equal to 1 we put, therefore 1 is equal to a into 1 plus 1, and this is 2 into 1 plus 1, and these two parts 0. ये 2 आएगा, ये 3 आएगा, 6, therefore a is equal to 1 by 6, a is equal to 1 by 6. Then put t is equal to minus 1, ये दो part will be 0. Put t is equal to minus 1, 1 is equal to, ये 0 होगा, ये 0 होगा, you will get b into 1, t is minus 1, so it will be plus 1, and 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1, which is b into 2, this is minus 1, so b will be equal to minus 1 upon 2. This is minus 2 times of b is 1, so b is minus 1 upon 2. Then to find c, we put t is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Over here t is minus 1 upon 2. These two parts will reduce to 0 and you will get c. 1 is equal to c into t is minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, so it will be 1 plus 1 upon 2, and this is 1 minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. यहाँ पे minus 1 upon 2 रखा तो ये minus और ये वो plus 1, 0. This is 3 by 2, c into 3 by 2, and this is 1 by 2. So that c will be equal to 4 by 3. 1 is equal to 3 by 4 into c. So c is equal to 4 by 3. So a, b, c जो मिला है आपको, a is equal to what, 1 by 6. b is equal to what we are getting, minus 1 upon 2. And c is equal to 4 by 3 we are getting, 4 by 3. After getting ABC, integral I is equal to this is our integral I. and that we put in the partial fractions a, b, c. A or a is equal to 1 by 6 upon 1 minus t plus dt plus b, or b is minus 1 upon 2 and t plus 1 dt, and c is 4 by 3 integral 4 by 3 upon 2t plus 1 dt. Either we write it minus of log of 1 minus t, या तो या माइनस साइन कॉमन ले सकते हैं आप यहाँ से. दिस वी कैन राइट एज माइनस 1 अपॉन सी इंटीग्रल डी टी अपॉन टी माइनस 1, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं हम. एंड माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 इंटीग्रल डी टी अपॉन टी प्लस 1, एंड यहाँ से 4 by 3 कॉमन, outside the integral will take 4 by 3, so it is 4 by 3 integral dt upon 2t plus 1. This is log of t minus 1, log of t plus 1 and log of 2t plus 1 divided by 2. Coefficient of t is 2. So our answer will be integral I is equal to minus 1 upon 6 log t minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 log t plus 1 4 by 3, and coefficient of t is 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 2 log of 2t plus 1 plus c, so that this 2 we cancel, it is 2, and resubstitute t is equal to sin x. So integral I is equal to minus 1 upon 6 log of sin x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 log of sin x plus 1, and it is 2 by 3 log of 2 sin x plus 1 plus c. वन बाय 6 अगर कॉमन लेते हैं हम, so that gives us 1 by 6 कॉमन, यहाँ पे आएगा 4, okay, it is 4 by 6, so 1 by 6 we are taking common, 4 into log of 2 sin x plus 1 minus log of sin x minus 1. Here we are taking 1 by 6 common, so it will be 3. It will be 3 by 6 minus 3 log of, we are taking 1 by 6 common, so 3 log of sin x plus 1 plus c, and finally you can put the answer in this form: 1 by 6 log of, here raised to power 4, 2 sin x plus 1 raised to power 4 upon sin x minus 1 and sin x plus 1 raised to power 3 and plus c. So finally we can put the answer in this form, which is required in the, which is given in the book. The answer in this form: 2 sin x plus 1 raised to power 4 and this. Question number 22, e raised to power x in the numerator. यहाँ पे e raised to power x, e raised to power 2x मतलब e raised to power x square है, so we can put e raised to power x is equal to t. So we put t is equal to e raised to power x. Therefore यहाँ पे e raised to power 2x है, इसका मतलब e raised to power x whole square. So therefore dt by dx is equal to e raised to power x and dt is equal to e raised to power x into dx. So I is equal to integral phi e raised to power x into dx, that is equal to dt. Denominator is t plus 1 and this is what? T square plus 9. You can observe here t square plus 9 cannot be factorized. मतलब ये quadratic factor है which is irreducible to the linear factor. ये quadratic factor. मतलब one factor is a quadratic factor. So it is of the next form, that is the last form, that is one factor is quadratic factor. Phi upon, we put in the partial fraction t plus 1 t square plus 9 which is a upon t plus 1 plus bt plus c upon t square plus 9 which is quadratic factor. A upon t plus 1 plus bt plus c upon t square plus 9. So phi is the numerator, here numerator will become t square plus 9 into a plus t plus 1 into bt plus c. Put t is equal to minus 1, so this part will be reduced to 0 and you will get a. यहाँ पे t is equal to minus 1 रखते हैं, so phi is equal to a into minus 1 square is plus 1 and 9 plus 0. Therefore a will be equal to phi upon 10. If 10a is equal to 5, therefore it is 1 by 2. A मिल गया आपको. Then to get b and c, what to do? We substitute t is equal to 0. Put t is equal to 0 over here. Both sides. Left hand side will be 5. This is 0 रखा तो ये 9a. यहाँ पे 0 रखा है, यहाँ पे 0 रखा है तो 1 into c. 5 0 रखा है हमने, 9a 0 रखा है तो 1 इंटू ये भी 0 है प्लस c, सो इट इज c. बट a is 1 by 2, 5 is equal to 9 into 1 by 2. Substitute a plus c. c will be equal to 9 by 2. We subtract from 5. 5 minus 9 by 2, which is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So it is c. We are getting c. Then we equate coefficient of t square. Equate coefficient of t square. Coefficient of t square. Left hand side there is no t square term, so its coefficient will be 0. t square term का यहाँ पे a है, a into t square. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम t into bt, तो ये bt square होगा, मतलब कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ t square इज b. ये मल्टीप्लाई करने से t square टर्म नहीं मिलेगा, so only a plus b, but a is equal to 1 by 2, therefore b must be equal to minus 1 by 2. We are getting a b c constants. Constant a is equal to 1 by 2 है, 1 by 2. Constant b is equal to minus 1 by 2 है, और constant c is equal to 1 by 2 again. 1 by 2. After getting these constants, again we come to the our integral. So this integral in this form, ये फॉर्म में आपका इंटीग्रल है. इसको इवेल्युएट करना है, मतलब इसको इवेल्युएट करना है पुटिंग ए बी सी कॉन्स्टेंट्स. देयरफॉर इंटीग्रल i is equal to इंटीग्रल ऑफ a, और a is 1 by 2 अपॉन t plus 1 dt प्लस इंटीग्रल ऑफ bt, b मतलब माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 t प्लस c, c इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई 2 अपॉन t स्क्वायर प्लस 9 dt. 1/2 इंटीग्रल dt अपॉन t प्लस 1। 1/2 हम बाहर लेते हैं, 1/2 इंटीग्रल ऑफ, ये माइनस साइन भी लेते हैं बाहर, तो दिस विल बी t माइनस 1 अपॉन टी स्क्वायर प्लस 9 dt। देन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ टी स्क्वायर प्लस 9 इज 2t, सो यहाँ पे 2 चाहिए। माइनस 1/2 वी टूक आउटसाइड, इसका इंटीग्रल है log ऑफ t प्लस 1, log ऑफ t प्लस 1 minus 1/4 will write and multiply here 2t minus 2 upon t square plus 9 dt। further we solve, separate करते 2t, derivative of this will be 2t, so 2t और ये separate करते हैं, so it is 1/2 log of t plus 1 minus 1/4 integral 2t dt upon t square plus 9 minus, and this it will be plus 1/2 integral dt upon t square plus 9 t square plus 9, and the answer we, this is what derivative of t square plus 9 is 2t, this is what f of t, f dash of t and f of t, it is log of f of t, 1/2 log t plus 1 minus 1/4 log t square plus 9, because derivative of t square plus 9 is 2t, and 1/2, this is 1/2 integral dt upon t square plus 1/2 integral dt upon t square plus 9, which is tan inverse of 1/3 tan inverse of t by 3. See, instead of here only we can separate this upon t square plus 9 and this upon t square plus 9, so ये थोड़ा extra step हो गया अपना, so 1/2 log of t plus 1 minus 1/4 log of t square plus 9 and 1/2 integration of this is 1/3 tan inverse of t by 3 plus c. We resubstitute t is equal to what, e raised to power x, and write the answer. Integral I is equal to 1/2 log of t plus 1, t is e raised to power x plus 1 minus 1/4 log of e raised to power 2x plus 9, 1/6 tan inverse of e raised to power x upon 3 plus c. Substitute t is equal to e raised to power x and we'll get the answer, but the answer we write in again 6 we take common from here, 1/6. See, 1/4 we'll write outside, 1/4 from these two terms, 1/4 take common, it will be 2 log e raised to power x plus 1 minus log e raised to power 2x plus 9, and this as it is 1/6 tan inverse of e raised to power x upon 3 plus c. This is log of e raised to power x plus 1 whole square upon this. 1 upon 4 log of e raised to power x plus 1 whole square upon e raised to power 2x plus 9 plus 1 by 6 tan inverse of e raised to power x upon 3 plus c. 23rd क्वेश्चन, log x और डिनोमिनेटर में x है, so which is derivative of log x, and obviously we will substitute t is equal to log x. So we put t is equal to what? Log x. Put t is equal to log of x. Therefore dt by dx is 1 by x and dt will be equal to dx upon x. So this dx upon x, it is equal to dt, and integral I will be equal to, integral I is equal to 2t plus 3 dx upon x is dt, denominator 3t plus 2 and t square plus 1. So obviously we are getting one quadratic factor which is irreducible to the linear factor. इसको हम reduce नहीं कर सकते linear factor में, so it is of the last type, that is one of the factor is quadratic factor. 2t plus 3 upon 3t plus 2 into t square plus 1 we express into partial fractions. A upon 3t plus 2 plus b into t plus c upon quadratic factor is t square plus 1. This is a quadratic factor. So 2t plus 3 is equal to a into t square plus 1 plus bt plus c into 3t plus 2. Now if you put t is equal to minus 3 by 2, sorry, minus 2 by 3, so this part will be reduced to 0, minus 2 by 3, so this part will be reduced to 0 and you will get a. So put t is equal to minus 2 by 3, then this is 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus 3 is equal to a into, this will reduce to 0. If you put minus 2 by 3, a into 4 by 9 plus 1, which is, this is what, LCM is 3, 9 minus 4 it is 5, this is 9 minus 4 it is 5, right hand side is a into 9 plus 4 13 upon 9, this is what, 9 plus 4 13 upon 9, this 3 is getting cancelled over here, so it is a is equal to 15 upon 13, you will get 15 upon 13 a. We are getting a is equal to 15 upon 13. Now we equate the coefficient of t square, or we put t is equal to 0 over here. If you put t is equal to 0, then this is 0 plus 3. Here we put a, t is equal to 0, so it is a. Here we put t is equal to 0, so it is c. Here we put t is equal to 0, so it is 2. That means 3 is equal to a plus 2c. So 2c is equal to 3 minus a. A is 15 by 2, 13. Then 2c is equal to 39 minus 15 upon 13. So that 2c is equal to, we write 2c is equal to 24 upon 13 and c is equal to 12 upon 13 we are getting. C is equal to 12 upon 13. Then we find what? B. So we equate coefficient of t square from either side. Now equating coefficient of t square from either side, here there is no t square term, so coefficient will be 0. Here a into t square, 3b t square. So 3b is the coefficient of t square, bt into 3t. So it is b into 3t square. For other term there is no t square. So coefficient of t square we equate. Coefficient of t square we equate, and we will be getting this relation in terms of a and b. Already we are having a is equal to 15 by 13. We substitute over here. So 3b is equal to minus a. Therefore it is minus a. A is 15 upon 13. And this 3 is getting cancelled, which is equal to 5. So b is equal to what? Therefore b is equal to minus 5 upon 13. Minus 5 upon 13. So thus we are getting constants a, b, c. हम एक साथ लिखते हैं constants a, b, c. और यहाँ से वापस शुरू करते हैं. a, we are getting a is equal to 15 upon 13. 15 upon 13 constant. B is equal to minus 5 upon 13. And C constant is equal to 12 upon 13. 12 upon 13. After getting A, B, C constants, or integral I is equal to a upon 3t plus 2, or a is 15 by 13 upon 3t plus 2 plus integral b is minus 5 upon 13 t, bt plus c is 12 upon 13 upon t square plus 1 dt. Further we solve, separate it. (15 upon 13), which is outside the integral sign, dt upon here dt upon 3t plus 2 minus 5 upon 13 into 1 by 2 and again 2, because derivative of t square plus 1 is 2t, minus 5 upon 13 I took outside, multiply and divide by 2 upon t square plus 1 dt, and 12 upon 13 again constant, 12 upon 13 is 12 upon 13 integral dt upon t square plus 1. Here 15 upon 13, 1 by 3 log of 3t plus 2, integral dx upon ax plus b 1 by log of ax plus b, minus 5 upon 26 f dash of x upon fx, log fx, it is log of t square plus 1, 12 upon 13 integral dt upon t square plus 1 is tan inverse of t plus c, or t is equal to log x. So this is 15 upon 39 log of 3t plus 2, that is 3 log of x. T is log of x plus 2 minus 5 upon 26 log x whole square plus 1, 12 upon 13 12 upon 13 tan inverse of log of x plus c. We can put our answer in the form 5 upon 26 we can take common. 5 upon 26 we will take common. So this will be multiplied by 2 and 2, so that it is 26. So 2 log of 3 log x plus 2. 3 log x means log x cube also will write. 3 log x plus 2 minus 5 by 26 we are taking common, so it is log of log x square plus 1, and 12 by 13 as it is. 12 by 13, this is tan inverse of log of x plus c. We are taking this 5 upon 26 common, so 5 by 26 log of 3 log x plus 2 whole square upon log of x square plus 1, log of x square plus 1. This is what 5 by 26 over here, 26 plus 12 by 13 tan inverse of log x plus c. So this completes our answer and the exercise is completed. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.